So hi guys, in this video we will see how to access a S3 object and how can we make it public, and also we will see how can we make our S3 bucket partially public. So let's get started. So we are right here on the AWS homepage, and we will click on S3. Then in S3 we will create a bucket. I will give a bucket name Shivam 1234564. So I think this is a unique name. Let's create the bucket. In the last video, I have told you that this is the only requirement, but it is not like that. It is the least requirement to create a S3 bucket. The other thing we are required is this location, or we can call it the region. We can select this region and then create the bucket. So in order to create a bucket in a specific region, like you are living in India, then I think you should create the S3 bucket in Mumbai, so that the data exchange between will be really fast. And if you are living somewhere else, or the usage of the bucket is in some other country, then create the bucket in that region only. So we have created the bucket, and we will quickly upload an object in this. Last time I have just dragged and dropped file here. Today we will do this by add file. So here we will select this and upload. I think the file is successfully uploaded. Yes. So the file is uploaded. Let's try to access it. So let me open this file. Okay, here it is. So you can see in this file that we can access this privately only. As I am logged in on this machine or on my laptop, I can access this file. But someone else who is not logged in, he cannot access this file, as this is privately accessible. You can see my name, that bucket name here, and everything else, security token. And what now? If we go inside the file and copy its public URL, then we will see what happens. It is access denied, so we cannot access this file. So what we have to do in this case, we will just go to our bucket, and in the bucket we will go to permissions. On permission, this you can see is block all public access. We will edit this first, remove it from here, and save changes. Confirm. Not only this, what else we have to do is we have to write bucket policy also. As you can see, I have allowed the public access, but if I will go to objects again here and I will click, see this one open now, still access denied. We close everything so you don't get confused. Access denied. So we have to write the policy, and writing the policy is also very easy. Let me show you. So here it is bucket policy, edit. So if you don't know how to write the policy, don't worry. We will go to policy generator, and on here we will select S3 bucket policy, principal for all. So this, and action, we will get object. We just want to access the object now, so get object, ARN. This is our ARN. Okay. Yeah, done. Generate policy. And done. Okay. So resources, what all the resources we want to make public in our S3 bucket. See, this is our name of the bucket, and what are the resources inside this we want to make public? All. So now save changes. And we have done this. Now again we will go to our object. Click here. Click on its public URL. Now we can access this. So we can access this now. And let's see what if we just want a single folder to be public and rest of our bucket to be private. And in that case, what we will do is, first we will come here and click on the create folder, name our folder, and then we will leave the rest of the thing as it is, create folder. The folder is created. Now what? Now what we will do is, we will again go to permissions, and in the bucket policy, edit. So we want to make everything inside our folder public. So we will write Shivam, folder name, which is folder name, and all the things. So star inside our folder to be public. Save changes. So again we will go here. We are inside our bucket. So there is nothing inside our folder right now. But let's see, is this file is still accessible, publicly accessible or not? Let's check it. No, it is not publicly accessible now, because we have changed the bucket policy. So we will come here again, and inside we will upload a file inside the folder Shivam. Any file we can upload. This only file we will upload again, and this time so now we will see. If we want to open the file, and you can see this file is inside. This is the bucket. This is the folder inside the bucket, and this is the file. And let's click on this. Yes, the file which is inside the folder can be easily accessible, and the file which is inside the bucket directly is not accessible. So we have created a partially public policy. So the folder is public, but rest of the bucket is private. So this is how we do things here. And one more thing, like we have done all this thing. What if we want to delete it? We want to directly delete our bucket. Can we do that? Let's see here. Inside the buckets, we will come here and try to delete it. Can we delete it? Let's see. This bucket is not empty, so we cannot delete. So in order to delete any bucket, we first need to remove all the objects inside the bucket. So first we will empty the bucket. Permanently delete. And empty. So everything now inside our bucket is deleted. And let's go to our bucket again, select here, and now we can delete our bucket. So we will put the name of our bucket here, which is Shivam 1234564. And all set. Our bucket is also deleted. So in this video, we have learned how to create a bucket, and how to upload an object, and also how to delete the object, how to delete a bucket, how to make an object publicly accessible, how to only make a part of the bucket publicly accessible. So in the next video, we will see what is versioning of the S3 bucket, and also we will see how it is useful for us. So that was all in this video, and thank you and have a nice day.